I believe this course provides students with different skills that they would be able to add to their skill set. But if I want to give a highlight of it, I would say communication skills itself on the top. And communication skill is the ability to be able to effectively receive and send information. Communication skill itself includes different skills. One main component is active listening. The other would be oral communication, presentation skills, and writing skills. In addition to that, one other skill that I personally think that students would be able to develop during this course is critical thinking skills. I would love for the students to be not critics, but critical thinkers. And by that, I mean, in a sense, being able to use all the facts, observations, evidence, and on top of that, their unbiased analysis to form sound judgments and to take informed and fair decisions. In addition to that, I can think of collaboration in teams and problem solving can be another skills that students will be able to develop and leverage through this course.